If you want to find a hotel that doesn't cost you a ton, but still gives you a comfortable, nice place to stay, you're in the right place. I've used Booking.com for pretty much all of my trips, and it's honestly saved me so much time and money. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to use Booking.com to find the best hotel deals without giving up on comfort. I'll cover everything that you need to know, from how it works to tips to get the best deals and whether it's really the best option for travelers on a budget. And hopefully by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find a place that's perfect for your trip without spending a fortune. And so if at any point you decide to book your next trip with Booking.com, you can use the affiliate link I left for you guys in the description down below. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and you might even get a bit of a discount, which you wouldn't get if you went directly to their website. And without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, so Booking.com is one of the biggest travel booking sites out there. It was founded back in 1996, and since then, it's become a major player in the travel industry. They started out just focusing on hotels, but now they offer everything from flights and car rentals to attractions and activities. You can find all kinds of places to stay, along with vacation packages, flights, car rentals, and more, and they've made it super easy to plan your trip all in one place. Okay, so I've used Booking.com quite a lot, as well as for my last trip this past summer to Thailand, and I've got to say it's made the entire process a lot easier. The way it works is, you just go to their website, type in your destination, travel dates, and the number of people staying, and it'll pull up a list of options for you. Then you can filter the results by price, locations, or even specific details like free breakfast or a pool, which is what I did when I was looking for hotels. And one thing I really liked was that it shows all the fees up front, so you're not surprised with any charges later on. And since it covers pretty much every type of accommodation you can think of, like hotels, hostels, apartments, villas, it was easy to find places that fit my budget and had good reviews. Plus, they offer free cancellation on a lot of properties, which can be really helpful if your plans get changed last minute for whatever reason. So whether you're booking a quick weekend getaway or a longer vacation, the flexibility and variety it offers really make the process stress-free. That said, in terms of Booking.com's pricing, here's the thing. Booking itself doesn't have plans like a subscription service, but they do offer different price ranges for accommodations depending on what you're looking for. And one of the best parts is that you can find a range of options to fit almost any budget, from super cheap hostels and small guest houses to mid-range hotels and high-end resorts. There's something for everyone. And when you search, you can use the filters to narrow down your budget, see if any properties have discounts, or even find last-minute deals. Also, if you're a frequent traveler, you can get even more savings through their loyalty program called Genius. It's free, and once you've booked a few times, you start seeing exclusive discounts like 10 to 15% off certain hotels, free breakfasts, and other perks. It's not a subscription, just a way to reward regular users, and those savings can add up, especially in longer trips. So even though there's no one set plan, the flexibility in pricing and the Genius rewards make it feel like you're getting a better deal the more you use it. It's designed to help you find something that fits your budget, whatever it might be. And again, if at any point you decide to book your next trip with them, you can use the affiliate link in the description down below. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and you might even get a bit of a discount, which you wouldn't get if you went directly to their website. Now, when it comes to getting the best deals on Booking.com, there are a few strategies that can really help stretch your travel budget. First off, always start by using the filters to narrow down your search. If you know your budget, set a price range, and then filter it depending on what you're looking for, like free breakfast, Wi-Fi, or parking. This saves you a lot of time and makes it easier to find options that check all of your boxes. Another tip is to book early on if you can, because they often have early bird discounts, and if you lock in a deal well in advance, you'll usually get a better rate. But if you're more spontaneous and you tend to book last minute, don't worry, they often have last minute deals too. Just keep an eye on the deals section for properties offering special discounts. Now, if you're a frequent traveler, you should definitely take advantage of the Genius loyalty program. As I mentioned earlier, it's a free program that gives you perks like up to 15% off certain hotels, free breakfasts, and even room upgrades at some places. And the more you book, the more benefits you unlock. So if you're planning on traveling regularly, those savings can really add up. Lastly, always check if the property offers free cancellation. This flexibility can be a lifesaver if your plans change. And sometimes their mobile app has exclusive app-only deals, so it's worth checking the app in addition to the website before you finalize your booking. With these tips, you can make sure you're getting the most out of your Booking.com and finding a great place to stay without blowing your budget. So now I've used Booking.com on pretty much all of my trips, but one that really stands out is my recent visit to Thailand. From Chiang Mai to the beautiful beaches of Koh Samui, I booked every single place to stay through Booking, and it honestly made the planning so much easier, especially having my filter set to my budget and preferred options. For example, when I wanted to find a place with a nice pool, but didn't want to spend a ton, I could narrow down my choices quickly and still see reviews from other travelers. One of the best deals I found was this cute beachfront hotel that included breakfast in the price, which saved me a lot over the course of my stay. I remember comparing the prices on a few different sites, and Booking.com actually showed some extra discounts I didn't see anywhere else, probably because of their Genius program perks. But just like with any service, there are a few downsides, like sometimes all the different options can be a little overwhelming, especially if you're like me and want to pick the best place to stay. That being said, filters and reading reviews can help you cut down the options. Also, it usually gives you accurate descriptions, but there are times when the listings and the actual rooms don't match up perfectly. These problems happen very rarely and are usually pretty minor, but it's still something to keep in mind. So overall, Booking.com really took a lot of stress out of planning, and I felt like I was able to find good, budget-friendly options without compromising on comfort. So to wrap things up, if you're looking for a way to find budget-friendly hotels without sacrificing comfort, Booking.com is definitely worth checking out. With its huge selection of accommodations, free Genius loyalty program perks, and easy-to-use platform, it's a great option for budget travelers who want great deals without a ton of effort. So I have to say, Booking.com makes it super easy to find a place that fits your needs and budget. Whether it's a quick weekend trip or a longer vacation, just remember to take advantage of the filters, look out for special deals, and use their free cancellation options to get the best value. Anyway, that's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful or interesting, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos like this one. And again, if you decide to book your next trip with Booking.com, you can use the affiliate link in the description down below. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and you might even get a bit of a discount, which you wouldn't get if you went directly to their website. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, happy travels, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.